In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the OG hit marker and shield cracking sounds here in Chapter 7 for Fortnite. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. If you don't know, Chapter 7 did change all of the noises essentially, and here's how you can get back to those OG noises. What you're going to want to do first is obviously get loaded into Fortnite, and from here go ahead and hit escape or pause to bring up this page right here, and then from here go ahead and navigate into your settings by selecting that settings gear. There's a bunch of tabs up at the top. Go ahead and select this little audio one here, and you're going to want to scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see this option for hit markers right here. You're going to want to change it from default to legacy. Legacy is going to give you those OG noises again, so go ahead and keep that in mind. That's what you're going to want to go ahead and keep on. Now on top of that, for background audio, I would recommend putting all sounds on and then hitting apply, and you'll be back to the OG noises here in Fortnite Chapter 7. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really just helps out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.